model, 2018 Peugeot partner BERLINGO Horizon Re-Blue 1.6 HDIS, S crew cab with a disabled ramp in good working order. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 131874. MOT, 12 July 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FD, BHY-B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, very well looked after vehicle. First to see will definitely buy. Feel free to come and view this van. Van is modified with a few functions for the ramp. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.